Share ko lang sa inyo yung pinagstayan namin ng 3 days. Ito nga pala yung Belmont Hotel located in Newport City, Pasay, Manila. Check-in time is at 2 p.m. then check-out time is 12 p.m. Binook ko pala ito sa Agoda at 6,374.74. Yung toilet and bath pala nila is tagusan, like pwede kayong makita sa labas and vice versa. Yung in-avail namin is superior queen room, then may kasama na itong buffet breakfast. Yung security deposit is 2,000 per room per night. May safety deposit box dito. TV, aircon, free wifi, water, coffee, and tea. Ang lamig ng aircon dito, guys. Ito nga pala yung view ng room namin at yung services na ino-offer ng hotel. Tara, pasok ulit tayo sa bathroom para makita nyo yung toiletries at kapag may takip na yung shower area.